Hey guys, do you ever find it hard to stick to your exercise routine? Or did you know that regular exercise can actually improve your mood and boost your energy levels? Stick around because today we're diving into how to stay motivated to exercise regularly for beginners in 2024. Starting off, let's address the challenges that many beginners face when trying to stay consistent with their workouts. It's common to struggle with motivation, feel overwhelmed by time constraints, or simply not know where to begin. But fear not, we've got your back. Now, let's explore some practical tips and strategies to help you stay on track. First things first, set achievable goals that align with your fitness aspirations. Find activities that you genuinely enjoy so exercise feels less like a chore. Establish a routine that works for your schedule and don't hesitate to reach out for support from friends, family, or even online communities. One of the biggest obstacles is finding the time to exercise. Look at your daily schedule and identify small pockets of time where you can fit in short workouts. Even a 10-minute session can make a huge difference over time. Another helpful tip is to track your progress. Use a fitness app or a simple journal to record your workouts and how you feel after each session. Seeing your improvements over time can be incredibly motivating and keep you committed. Accountability can also play a big role in staying motivated. Find a workout buddy or join a fitness group. Having someone to share your progress with and to encourage you can make all the difference in maintaining your routine. It's also important to mix things up. Doing the same workout every day can become monotonous. Try different types of exercises like yoga, running, or strength training to keep things exciting and challenging. Let's talk about setting yourself up for success with the right gear. Invest in comfortable workout clothes and shoes. You don't need the most expensive gear, but having the right equipment can make your workouts more enjoyable and reduce the risk of injury. Creating a motivating environment at home can also help. Set up a dedicated space for your workouts with all your equipment easily accessible. A clutter-free, inviting space makes it easier to get started and stay focused. Don't forget to reward yourself for sticking to your routine. Treat yourself to something small when you reach a milestone, whether it's new workout gear or a relaxing activity you enjoy. Celebrating your achievements reinforces positive behavior. Here comes the exciting part. Picture this: a personal success story or an inspiring example of someone who conquered their obstacles to establish a consistent exercise routine. It's proof that with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your fitness goals too. Overcoming mental barriers is just as important as the physical aspect. Practice positive self-talk and remind yourself why you started your fitness journey. Visualize your goals and the benefits you'll gain from regular exercise. Incorporating small lifestyle changes can also support your exercise routine. Opt for the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk or bike to nearby places and stay active throughout the day. These little changes add up and keep you in the mindset of staying active. Another crucial aspect is to listen to your body. If you're feeling sore or overly tired, it's okay to take a rest day. Overworking yourself can lead to burnout and injury. Balance is key to maintaining a long-term exercise habit. Setting reminders can be incredibly helpful. Use your phone or a planner to schedule your workouts as you would any other important appointment. Consistency is built on routine, and reminders keep you accountable. In wrapping things up, let's recap the key takeaways from today's discussion. Remember, staying motivated and consistent is crucial on your fitness journey. Keep pushing yourself, stay positive, and celebrate every small victory along the way. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and share your own experiences or questions in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.